welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you my three-step process for digitizing resources that I've used to digitize dozens of teacher authors resources and that I teach through my signature course, Digitize with Google Academy. So let's jump on in, and I want to give you a little taste of the framework. So my framework is called the ICE framework, and ICE, you'll find out what that stands for here in a minute. But one of the reasons why I call it the ICE framework is because it's really the tip of the iceberg of what you can do with digital resources. There is so much you can do. It's crazy what you can actually make and share with students, sell, whatever you want to do with digital resources. So ICE is the framework to get you started on creating the resources. And then really from there, it gets fleshed out with all of those details. So ICE stands for identify, create, and earn. So these are the three aspects that I look at when I take a resource from PDF, paper, pencil resource, all the way to putting it on Teacher Pay Teachers or another platform so that it is ready to sell. So the first part, I, for identify, I want you to think about this question. Do you struggle with where to start when creating a digital product? And that's where identify comes in, because we need to start with the end in mind. And to create a successful digital product, you must identify 5 key things. And those are the student and teacher digital user experience, the learning objective and the digital learning objective, the level of digitization, the Google tool, and the product that you are creating. And once you have those 5 parts figured out, then you have a solid concept of what you're going to create. And C stands for create. So that's our next step. And I want you to think about this question. Do you feel overwhelmed with where to begin when you actually create your digital product? And there are special considerations that you really need to think about when you're actually creating your product. And those include clip art, fonts, product security, and accessibility. And no matter what digital product you use, best practices are you're going to need to think about these different things. And then the final part is we want to earn, right? If we're creating digital resources to put on a platform like Teacher Pay Teachers or our own website or something along those lines, we want to earn money. And so the final step is to look at how you're going to sell those digital platforms, whether it's on Teacher Pay Teachers or other platforms. And some things to consider are protecting and sharing your product, previews for digital products, terms of use for your digital product, and also instructions for the teacher on how they can use those. So I know I've gone over the ICE framework very super quickly. So here's exactly what to do next. Watch the free Digitize with Google Masterclass. This masterclass delves into the whole ICE framework in more detail. Each of those different considerations I talk about and give examples, some pictures, some resources, etc. And then go ahead and check out the Digitize with Google Academy as well. So if you're ready to take the next step, click the link below right down here. Yeah, you'll see it right there. And sign up for the completely free Google Masterclass. It's about 30 minutes, give or take, a little longer than that. And it will walk you through the ICE framework and really get you started with digitizing your products. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Take care.